Hi everybody, today we're gonna read Planting a Rainbow by Louise Elhert. Planting a Rainbow. Rainbow. What do you guys see on the cover of this book? I see many different flowers. I see that these flowers most of them are orange flowers. I see that some of them are round, some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. They all have leaves, they all have a stem. So since the title of the book says Planting a Rainbow, I wonder if the book is going to teach us how to plant flowers, how to plant different types of flowers, how to plant flowers that are different colors. Do you guys have a garden? If you do have a garden, what do you guys plant in your garden? Maybe we're gonna learn how to create a garden. Let's read and find out. Every year, Mom and I plant a rainbow. So every year, the character of this book and his mom plants a rainbow. So every year when it's springtime, everyone plants their flowers again. Cause in the winter, the leaves fall off, and then the spring, you have to plant everything again. So it must be springtime. Let's see. In the fall, we buy some bulbs and plant them in the ground. So in the fall, they buy bulbs and plant them in the ground. So look, orange tiger lily bulb. So this is an orange tiger lily bulb. Red tulip bulb. So this is a red tulip bulb. Orange tulip bulb. This is an orange tulip bulb. Yellow dandelion bulb. Blue hydrangea bulb. Purple quercus corn. Purple beaded iris bulb. So these are all bulbs that are planted underground in the fall. So I wonder what's gonna grow from them. Are flowers gonna grow from them? What kind of flowers? What colors must these flowers be? Are they all gonna be one color? Are they all gonna be many colors? Are they gonna be red, purple, orange, blue? I wonder what colors these flowers are gonna be. Let's see what's gonna happen next. We order seeds from catalogs and wait all winter long. So they order seeds. They get seeds during the winter. They get seeds so they could prepare. For the spring, they get seeds. So these are different types of flowers. So the daisy, the marigold, this is a cornflower, aster, zinnia, morning glory. So these are different types of flower seeds. So in these packets, if you open them, there's seeds. There's little seeds. So you open up the package and you put the seeds inside the soil. So you go outside in your garden and you put the seeds in the soil. So I wonder if they're gonna plant all these flowers. Are they gonna plant some of these seeds, all of these seeds? I wonder what they're gonna do next. I wonder what else do they have to do to prepare for the springtime. What else do you think they're gonna do next? They bought bulbs, they bought seeds. So what else do you think they're gonna do? What else do they have to do to prepare for the spring, to create their garden? What else do they have to do? I wonder what else they have to do. Let's see what else they're gonna do to prepare for the springtime. First spring, to warm the soil and sprout the bulbs. So for spring to warm the soil and sprout the bulbs. So then when it's spring, the weather gets warmer. So in the spring, the weather gets warmer. So it's a lot warmer outside in the spring. So in the spring, the warm soil sprouts the bulbs. So look, now the bulbs are sprouting. They're sprouting before. Look how they were before. And look how they are now. Look at the difference. Look how they are now. So now I see roots. The roots are sprouting. The roots. Look, I see roots now. I see stems growing. I see leaves coming up. So they're sprouting. The bulbs are starting to sprout. They're starting to grow. It's springtime now. So everything is starting to grow because now it is springtime. It's no longer winter or fall. So now it is springtime. So look, they're growing. We see roots coming out and the stem and some leaves. So let's see what else you're gonna do next. Or let's see, maybe they're gonna plant the seeds next. Let's see. Then it's time to go to the garden center to select some seedlings. So look, they went to the garden and they got some seedlings. So they got some seedlings. Look, they got some seedlings. So these seedlings, these are flowers that grew already, and so they're just gonna plant them. So there's rose, there's violet, there's poppy. So these are seedlings. So they grew already. They grew a little bit. So now they're gonna bring them to the garden and they're just gonna plant them. So they're just gonna put them in the ground and plant them. So these aren't seeds. They're seedlings. They grew a little bit. So see, the roots are on the bottom. They already have leaves. Look, they have some leaves. They have stems. So they grew. The seedlings grew. But they grew. So now all the person has to do is take them out of the pot and put them in the ground. That's all the person has to do. Take them out of the pot and put them in the ground, in the garden. So I wonder what else they're gonna do. So far they got bulbs, they got seeds. So I wonder what else they're going to get. They got seedlings. I wonder what else they're gonna do to prepare for spring. What do you guys think they're gonna do to prepare for their garden? Let's see. We sow the seeds and set out the plants in soil. So look. So next they sow the seeds and set out the plants in soil. So they set out the plants. So these are all the plants that they just got. These are the seedlings. So they're putting the seedlings. They put the seedlings in the ground. So they put the seedlings in the ground. So look, they put the seedlings in the ground, and then they sow the seeds and set out the plants in the soil. So look, they put the seeds in the ground. Look, they put the seeds in the ground. So now they put the seeds in the ground, and look, they have these sticks here for labels. So now here they know that this is where the daisy is gonna grow. They know that this is where the marigold is gonna grow. So those are to help them know which flower is gonna grow where, because they're planting so many seeds. If they didn't have those sticks with the flower names on them, they wouldn't know which flower would grow where. So the sticks help them know where each flower is going to grow. So look, they planted all the seeds. They planted all the seeds. They put all the seeds in the ground. They put all the seeds in the ground. So next, and then they put all the seedlings in the ground. Look, they put all the seedlings. So I wonder what they're gonna do next. Let's see. And watch the rainbow grow. So look, they're watching the rainbow grow. So look, now everything is starting to grow. Everything is starting to grow. So before, look how the garden was before. The seeds didn't grow yet. The bulbs were starting to grow. The flowers, they just got the seedlings. And now look, everything is growing. Everything grew so big and so tall. Look how big everything is now. Look how big everything is. So look, the daisy grew, the the marigold grew. Everything is growing, look. So now everything has a stem, has leaves, the flower. So everything is growing, everything grew so much. So now there's so many different colors. I see a little bit of red, I see purple, I see orange. So I see many different colors. So it's like a rainbow. The garden is a rainbow because it has so many different colors. So it looks like a rainbow because every flower has its own color. And look, and every flower is a different size also. And grow and grow. So look, even more colors. They grew even bigger. So now we see orange, I see blue, I see purple, I see yellow, I see flowers that are circles, I see flowers that are pointy. Look at all these different colors. It looks like a rainbow to me because I see so many different colors. It's as if I'm looking at a rainbow because I see all these different colors. So it looks as if this is a rainbow. So we see orange, we see yellow, we see blue, we see purple. So we see many different colors. And all these flowers grew so much. Look, before everything was so small, so tiny. Look, they were just seeds. These flowers were just seeds over here. But now, look how big and tall these flowers became. Look, I see the leaves, the stem, the flower, the petals. Almost every part of the flower is grown. So I wonder what's gonna happen next. I wonder, is the garden done? Is everything done? Are they gonna add something else in the garden? Let's see. We have red flowers. So these are all red flowers. So these are all red flowers. Such as tulips, carnations, and roses. So these are all red flowers. Tulips, carnation, roses. Red flowers. These are all red. And orange flowers. So these are all orange flowers. Such as the tulip and the poppy. So these are all orange flowers. The tulip, the poppy, the tiger lily. So these are all orange flowers. And some yellow blooms. So we also have yellow flowers. We have the daisy, the marigold. We have and daffodils. So these are all yellow flowers. These are all yellow flowers. We grow something green, so they also grew the plants that are green. So this is one plant that they grew, that is green. And some blue flowers, so there's some blue flowers too. Such as the morning glories, Also, we have the cornflowers. These are all flowers that are blue. These are all flowers that are blue. These are all flowers that are blue. And some purple flowers too. And these are some flowers that are purple. These are some flowers that are purple, such as the iris, the violet, and the pansy. So these are all flowers that are purple. These are all flowers that are purple. All summer long, we pick them and bring them home. So look, all summer long they pick, now that they're done growing, they collected all the flowers and made a bouquet of flowers. And look at this bouquet. It is so colorful. It has so many colors. I see orange, I see red, blue, purple, yellow. It has so many colors. It's as if I'm looking at the rainbow. So every flower is different. Every flower has a different shape. Every flower has a different color. Every flower is a different size. So each flower looks different. It is unique from the other. It is unique. It's different. It looks different in its own way. So look, this flower is round like a circle. This flower is red. These flowers have petals. Look, so each flower looks different and looks different in its own way. And when summer is over, we know we can grow our rainbow again next year. So when summer is over, the next season is fall. So after summer is fall. So that means in fall, the leaves start to fall from trees, from plants. So that means that you have to regrow. And we regrow a garden in the spring. So after fall comes winter, and after winter comes spring. So we wait until spring to grow our garden again. So it's a cycle, so it goes from the beginning. So once again, they'll have to put bulbs on the ground. Then they're gonna have to put seeds on the ground. And then after that, they'll put the seedlings in the ground. And then they're gonna watch everything grow. They're gonna watch everything grow into a beautiful rainbow garden. And look at all the different colors. And they're gonna do this every year in the spring, because it's a cycle, and this is what happens every year. We plant in the spring, and then the fall, the leaves start to fall. There's no growing during the winter, and then in the spring, we plant again to watch our flowers grow. The end.